My name is Dan Wagoner, and I'm Principal and Creative Director, one of the co-founders of Rivet. After starting to work with artist John McLaughlin several years ago when he left a major label in Island Def Jam Records, Chad and I got connected. Chad is drumming with John at the time and continues to drum with John, and we got to know each other better through us collaboratively working with John in our respective areas, and we both realized we had a heart for entrepreneurship, we had a heart for working with marketing and sales and design in the music space, and doing a little bit of dreaming together, and then finding ways to take steps towards making those dreams a reality. We decided that we were going to take the plunge and start our own business in Rivet.